Hey y'all, it's your girl Shugz and I am back with another video. Hey girl, hey. So today I'm coming with a cooking video. I'm making some pasta. So I'm starting off with some protein spaghetti because your girl's trying to get in shape. I'm trying to do something, make healthier choices. So I've already got my pot of boiling water. I'm gonna put it in the pasta. As you can see, I forgot the salt to taste and some oil so that the noodles don't stick together. Next, I'm going to add in some butter. I think it's just unsalted butter. I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons, something like that. Then after that melts down a little bit, I'm going to add in some of these little, grape tomatoes. I halved them, cut them in half, and then I'm just going to let those cook a little bit until they, I guess, like soften, shrink up or whatever. Child, I don't know the correct terminology. Now I'm going to add in some minced garlic. Now, I don't have time to be mincing up some fresh garlic. So I have this, canned garlic that I keep in my refrigerator. Just gonna put that in, stir it around because garlic does burn very quickly. Then after that gets going a little bit, I'm going to add in a little bit of lemon juice. Again, don't have time to be freshly squeezing no lemon juice, so I have this bottle. I wish I would have added just a little bit less lemon juice, but still good nonetheless. Next, I'm going to add in some half and half. Now, y'all, it looks a little funky, okay? It don't look the most appealing, but just give it a second, I promise. It's gonna come together. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of the pasta water that I saved after I took the noodles out. Mix that up, and then I am going to add in the Parmesan cheese. You want to make sure that you continue to mix it. You don't want anything to burn, and you also want to make sure that the cheese spreads evenly throughout the sauce. And a good cook is going to taste their food while they're cooking. I mean, duh. Now I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. That's pretty much the only seasonings that I use for this particular dish. Now hear me out, y'all. I'm putting in raw shrimp straight into the sauce, okay? So it's already thawed out some. Now, I learned this little trick from Supercent on Instagram. Shrimp cooks really easily, and there is nothing worse than some overcooked hard shrimp, okay? So you put it in the sauce that's hot, and it's going to cook through. Now, as you can see, I added just a little bit more Parmesan because I wanted my sauce to thicken up just a little bit more. And in a second, I'm going to show you the shrimp, okay? It's cooked. It's pink. I promise y'all not gonna get no salmonella, or that's only with chicken, ain't it? Child. Now just go ahead and add the pasta straight into the dish. And here is the final product. I wish I had some parsley, because you know everybody be putting parsley on stuff, child. It just make it, you know, look better. But your girl's greedy. I gotta taste it. And baby, good, okay? Ancestors would be proud.